Hi everyone, I'm Mike Fibus here for the Analog Garage, and today we've got Mario Freni, a business development manager at the Garage. Mario, thanks so much for joining us.
Glad to be here, Mike.
You're working with a startup to help them. I know you can't tell us the name of the startup, but
Yeah,
fill us in a little bit on what they're doing and how you've helped enable that.
sure. So I'll answer by way of giving you the story of how we engage with said startup and some of the things that we've done, to date with them over the last 6 months or so. Hopefully it'll give everybody an idea of how we interact with these sort of potential partnership partner companies. So this startup in particular has good solid IP and patent protection relative to some novel techniques to determine bacteria presence. They're not looking for bacteria directly. They're looking at, let's say, molecules that stem from the bacteria, and they're trying to detect their presence, and henceforth, detect the bacteria itself, because there's a certain one-to-one relationship there. So nonetheless, they're very skilled and very knowledgeable in biology and chemistry. And really what we said to them was, look, we think you guys have a really novel approach to this, and we like your patent position. What we'd like to do is really take everything off your hands outside of what you do best, which is your IP, right? And your detection technologies. So we can do everything insofar as building a hardware platform, a reader platform, manufacture, scale, operations, sales, marketing, so on and so forth. And so for a small, resource limited startup company, those are really welcoming words, right? So what we did with this company in particular was we built our hardware from the grounds up, a hardware reader platform, so that they can take their technology and go to clinical trials over here at Tufts, which is what they did a few months ago. And so they took our reader platform along with their strips and went to Tufts, and they passed their clinical trials, which is great. And we did this, pro bono, right? Because this is a way of furthering the relationship up front prior to signing a contract. And they appreciated that. And so there's some goodwill built up because of that and whatnot. So that's kind of the ways in which we, sort of offer services even prior to a contract with one of these partner companies, because, we're high in them. We believe in them. We believe in the technology. We believe they're going to be successful. And ultimately, via partnership, ADI will be successful as well.
Yeah, I mean, Mario, that sounds like really valuable, really good for them, and really good for you. You get to see if this is really something that's doable, and and if Analog Devices wants to be a part of it. So that's really great. Thank you so much for joining us and taking the time and sharing your insight. I really appreciate it.
All right, great. Happy to do so, Mike. Take care.
All right, you too.